Ladies and gentlemen, investors and investettes, and my little tiny investor over there, and my little tiny investet over there. This is Chester the Investor. I'm sorry for my shitty quality video. I don't have the best equipment. I do have a couple fancy cars. I do have a fucking shitty laptop. I got some buying power, as you can see here, but I don't have the best equipment. You know why? I just don't have the fucking time to go out and buy a fucking top of the line camcorder, the best microphone money can buy, just so you guys can hear me clear and have a better video. You're not here to see this thing in HD. You're here to fucking make cash, and I'm not a financial advisor, so let me just tell you right off the bat. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Chester the Investor, whatever you want to call it. The information presented here is not necessarily that of myself or anyone else that participates. It is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Wow, what a mess over there. I can neither confirm nor deny the accuracy of any of it. So what you're looking at here is my account. Now, that's just the buying power, so let me get out of this side here. I want to show you my portfolio because it's not that high. Don't look at that serious. Look at that drop right there, huh? Bam! As soon as the market opened, I lost my fucking shots. Holy shit. So IVR was up and up and up, and then it just started crashing. It's still a good investment, don't get me wrong. In my opinion, I'm going to get back in. Holy shit, I just dropped a lot. What the hell happened? Oh my God. So I'm going to tell you what plays I got going on right now. Okay, because you know me, I'm always changing it up. And as you can see, oh no, oh, I'm up right now. I'm sorry, I'm up. Whew, I got nervous when I saw 20,700. See? And it still really didn't bother me. You can't be nervous when your account falls $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. It doesn't even bother me anymore. What's my percentage? Look at I'm up 52% in a month. Is that not good? People get, I think the average return on investment is 10% on the year. Who the hell wants that? I'd rather have 50%, 100% every goddamn month, you know? And this is not financial advice, but that's just my opinion. I mean, I'd rather have, who the hell wants to wait? Where's my fucking calculator? Who wants to wait on $20,000? Let's say you have 20 grand invested, right? A whole year goes by and you get 10%. Is that a joke? That's a joke, right? You put $20,000 into the stock market at the end of the year, you better have $100,000 or we're not friends, buddy. So, and there's ways to do it. You know, you got to do your research. So here's a new stock I want to talk about that I just acquired this morning because I had this feeling deep down in my little belly that said go ahead and buy it, and I did. I didn't buy much though. I don't know why. I should have bought a lot. I was going to put in $5,000, but something said, you know what? I've had a great week. Fucking relax, you know, relax. So I put in, how much did I put in here? I think I put like $600, $700 in here. And now look at that. I've got $1,000. I should have put in $5 grand, 10 grand, you know? So this here, I did my research on it. It was sitting at 19 cents forever. I don't know if you guys knew this or not. This stock has been sitting, the ticker symbol is SHIP. You see that? SHIP. And this stock has been sitting at 19 cents forever. It was just waiting for a breakout. And I did my research on it. I did a lot of this stock, it should go to $1. If you want to know the truth, it should go to $1. Is that financial advice? No. But, you know, they have to go to $1 before they get delisted. And the company's been around for a while, and I think they're going to do it. I actually think they're going to come back and get to $1. You know, with all this free money going around, this stimulus, and, you know, and this market's actually starting to come back here. As you can see down here, it's a shipping company, obviously. You know, as you can see it. Let's see here. I think it's out of Greece. Yeah, there we go. There it is, in Greece. But, I mean, they've been around for a while. Do your research on it. They're not going to go anywhere. They're not going to they're not going to lose their IPO because their stock fell a little bit. I got in this morning. I had a good feeling. I think it's going to go up to at least 50 cents. I mean, that's just my opinion. It's got to hit at least 50 cents. I wish I would have put, you know, maybe I'll put more in now. You know, why not? Should I buy some in front of you guys right now? Should I do that? I should have bought it this morning. When I bought it this morning, it was 20 cents. I think I bought it at 20 cents. Let me check. I think I waited a little too long and I bought it a little bit more than that. I bought it at 21 cents. It's really like it's like really 25 and whatever. They just rounded up to 20 cents. But I could have bought it at 19 cents because it was at 19 cents. And I kept debating. It really doesn't move much. It stayed at 19 cents for like a week. I was thinking about buying this a week ago. And I says, you know what? And then I seen more news. And I did my research. And I'm like, maybe I should hop in. But now still a great time to hop in, you know. And people always say, you know, like IVR, you know, that fell apart. What's the other one there that fell apart? I had another one. I can't think of what it was. Oh, SHLL. It was a Tortoise acquisition. So I sold that at 90. It went up too fast, guys. It skyrocketed. All right. So I sold it. I got nervous. It went up to 19.9 or 19.95 or something. I had to get rid of it. I made my money. I got out. Will it go back up? Yes, it will. It's going to go back up right before the merger. So if you still have it, you know, if you got the time to hold on to it, just hang on to it until the merger happens, because it might go right back up to 19, 20 bucks again. But when that merger happens, it's going to fly, and I'm going to get back in as well. And IVR, I might get back in on that as well, too, because this ain't going to last forever, people. This ain't going to last forever. We're going back to work. As much as you don't want to, as much as you want to sit around and collect your $500, $600, your stimulus check and your breast milk, as much as you want to breastfeed off the teat of Mike Pence and Donald Trump and Dr. Fauci, it's not going to last forever, folks. You're going to have to take your ass back to work. And I know it sucks. I took my ass back to work. It sucks. I'm making more money at home doing this. Holy shit. What the fuck am I doing back at work? I'm making more dumping my stimulus checks in the stock market than I am at fucking work. So I'm just having fun today. I made some money yesterday. I really wasn't looking to make much money today, but I guess I am. You know, I only bought $600 worth, but, you know, I'm soon to be doubled that, which is great, you know. And look, I haven't cashed out or anything. I'm letting it ride. I don't care. That's the problem. You have to have what they call diamond hands. You have to have diamond hands. Look at my nasty fingernails and my rotten, dry skin hands. You have to have hands like these to hold on to stocks forever. I don't really even know how to navigate this thing. Hold on, guys. So this is my portfolio here. I'm going to go back to my main page. And as you can see, you know, I'm up. I'm still up today, $471. Not bad. I had a great day yesterday. As you can see, I came into the stock market crushing it. And then I had to get out of those stocks because they started crashing. You know, the IVR started crashing hard. I had to let it go. I wasn't going to hang on to another crash. I'll buy back in, but I have no time to hang on to a crash like that. You know, I took my money and ran, and then I bought some more Apple shares. As you can see, I got 30 Apple shares. Let me open up Apple for you. And Apple rocketed today. Look at that. Up $12 on the day. What a great move I made here, huh? So I had 20 shares of Apple, I think, and now I got 30. You know, I bumped it up to 30 right there. I bought some more this morning, and then it just took off. And look what it was at today. 307, up 13 bucks on Apple. Up $13 on Apple. Holy fuck! That deserves a fucking swig of Diet Coke. Holy shit! Oh yeah, baby. Oh man, that's really good. So this is just a quick video, guys. My house is a mess. Yes. You want to see around? You want to take a look? This is disgusting. The gyms are closed, so that's what I use. I use feminine health products. You know, that's what I do. I do some more trading over there. I do some trading over there. I'm all over the fucking place, but this is the best spot. You don't need much. I do most of the stuff right on my phone. That's all you need is a smartphone. That's it. You want a free stock? Look it. I have nobody. These are all the stocks I have. Usually if you get free stocks, it shows down here. Nobody gives a fuck. Nobody even watches my videos. If you're watching this video, you're probably a lone wolf. I have no subscribers. I have no views. And I have nobody to share my link with. Look, it's blank. But if you do like my video and you don't have Robinhood, click the link below and you get a free stock. Hell, we both get one. I'll even post your stock here and give you a shout out to all my non-viewers. Have a great day, folks. Go fuck yourself. I'm sorry.